Meaning of hero.
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 Hero. The word hero refers to a person admired for their courage, outstanding achievements, or noble qualities. Heroes are often regarded as role models and symbols of bravery. They can be fictional characters, such as superheroes in comic books and movies, or real-life figures who have made significant contributions to society. The concept of heroism has evolved over time and varies across cultures, but the essence remains the same. Heroes embody virtues such as courage, selflessness, and integrity that inspire us to be better human beings.